Hey guys, welcome to this new video on benefits of including millets in your diet by Healthify Me. Now, millets are a powerhouse of nutrients. They have reclaimed their space in the kitchen of those more health conscious. Millets boost your health and improve weight loss besides being gluten-free. Speak to any fitness enthusiast and they will vouch for the miraculous benefits of eating millets. Millets are available in a variety of types and each has its own health benefits. Walk into a supermarket at any time of the year and you will find millets in stock. That is because of their cultivation across seasons. However, ditching rice or wheat entirely for millets is not healthy for your body. Practice grain diversity in your diet for wholesome nutrition. So what are millets? From ragi, jowar, bajra, foxtail millet to kodo millet, all these have high nutritional value and are rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals and fibers. Unlike other cereals, millets require little water for ground fertility. The sheer affordability of millets also tags them as a poor man's food grain. But the world is now noticing millets for their enormous potential. Millets contain a host of micronutrients such as iron, calcium, phosphorus. Also, they take time to digest, which doesn't cause the blood sugar spike associated with easily digestible food. So, introducing millets into your diet can help control diabetes for the same reason. Millet production is good for the environment too, as they are primarily rain-fed crops, thus not putting pressure on our already diminishing water resources. Additionally, these grain crops do not attract pests and can grow perfectly well without pesticides. Millets are rich in several beneficial nutrients such as phosphorus, magnesium, copper, and manganese. Incorporate them into your diet to gain the following benefits. Now, before we proceed further, make sure that you have subscribed to or followed Healthify Me. Now, here are 7 reasons why you should add millets to your daily diet. Of course, our first topmost reason is it aids in weight loss. The calorie content of millets is low and they are an excellent food product for weight loss. Not just those looking to lose weight, it benefits people who are conscious of their fitness too. It helps them maintain their energy level throughout the day without having to refuel constantly. Millets also keep you satiated for longer than other carbohydrates. When you consume them, you feel fuller for longer as they take time to get digested and absorbed into the body. That prevents snacking and overeating. Now, secondly, it keeps your blood sugar levels low. Millets have a low glycemic index. Therefore, consume millets regularly to lower your risk for developing diabetes. Now, our third reason is millets boost your immunity. Protein intake is responsible for building the body's immunity, and millets provide a great source of protein and can help develop and strengthen our immunity. Stronger immunity means fewer chances of you catching diseases. Learn more ways to improve your immunity. Download the Healthify Me app from the link in the description below and get information on your daily sleeping habits. You will also be able to track over 55,000 foods, receive real-time insights and automated analytics on your health. Now, our next reason is reduces cardiovascular risk. Millets contain essential fats which provide our bodies with good fats, which prevent excess fat storage. And it also helps to lower your high cholesterol and also the risk for strokes. The potassium content in millets regulates your blood pressure and optimizes your circulatory system. Now, our fifth point is that it prevents asthma. The magnesium content in millets can reduce how frequently you experience migraines. It can also bring down the severity of your asthma complaints. The reason is, unlike wheat, they do not contain the allergens that lead to asthma and wheezing. Now, our sixth reason is millets help in digestion. They are rich in fiber and that helps to digest and prevent bloating, gas, cramping and constipation. In addition, good digestion keeps issues like gastric, colon cancer, and kidney liver complaints away. Now, our last and final reason is millets act as an antioxidant. They help detox because of their antioxidant properties. Quercetin, curcumin, ellagic acid, and other valuable catechins flush out toxins from your body and neutralize the enzymatic actions of your organs. The health benefits that millets offer are truly unique. Unlike wheat and rice, millet cultivation is incredibly sustainable. This food grain benefits our bodies by strengthening our immunity, keeping diseases in check, and aiding weight loss. In addition, millets take longer to break down in the body and keep us satiated for longer. This brings us to the end of our video on the benefits of including millets in your diet. You can use this food grain as a cereal substitute, make porridge, infuse it into cupcakes. The uses of millets in cuisine are endless. So include this superfood into your everyday diet and notice the positive changes it brings to your life. Chat with our coaches on WhatsApp today. Connect with Healthify Me's top nutritionists and trainers from the comfort of your phone. Click the link in the description below and start your consultation now. We hope you liked our video. Do like this video if you learned something new today. You can share this video with your family, friends, and your loved ones. And you can also add this video to your own personal playlist so that you can come back and watch it anytime. Let us know in the comment section if we missed out on anything or if you have any suggestions or questions about this particular topic. If you have not subscribed to or followed our Healthify Me channel yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe or follow button now. If you are on YouTube, hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more videos from Healthify Me. Thank you for watching.